introduce you to diamond painting.
Diamond painting! These are the diamond paintings we already done.
Some of you might be familiar with this type of painting.
If you are, you could still watch it.
If you are not, you should watch it. So let's get started.
Yup, 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 yup. This kit comes with
A canvas, drills, wax, driller pen, and a driller tray. This is a canvas of a corn. Every canvas has a thin sheet of plastic on top of it. On the canvas, there are numbers or letters written. The drills have a number attached to it. I'm going to start with drill number 5. I'll put the drills on the drill tray. Pierce the drill pen into the wax. There will be a thin sheet on the wax. Now remove a little bit of the plastic off the canvas. Now take the drills with the drill pen and put it on the corresponding number. Now I have taken the next drill bit.
So what canvas are you working on?
strawberry.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah,
You like it?
yeah,
You like doing diamond painting?
yeah.
Why do you like it?
Because I like to put the diamonds.
Yeah, and it makes the canvas so pretty, right?
Yeah.